Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular session what I will be showing you guys is how do we install packages. Okay, so let's try this command if this actually works or not. Just trying to zoom in, but let's see. Properties, and then let's just make the cursor size, not cursor size, but the font bigger. Let's just make it 24 right now. Okay. So first thing that I will be showing you guys is that how do you unregister a package. Okay, so we will be looking at how do we install packages or software from like Windows CLI. So basically first thing that you want to do is you learn how to unregister a package. Okay, so first of all, for that you need to type in unregister, not app background but unregister package source. So since I have already configured this, but it's kind of a bit wrong. Package source, the name is just type in tab and then chocolate, that's the name. Okay, so blah blah blah. Okay, if you don't find, does not matter. So I'll just register a package. So register package source, and then the name is chocolate, the package that I want to register, chocolate, and then provider name, not proxy, provider name, prod. Should fill it out. Chocolate, and then location is http chocolate.org/API/v2. Alright, chocolate, everything seems alright. Let's see what happens. I think it will prompt for yes or no kind of thing. Yep, yes. So it will just download and then it'll just show it to you like it already exists and blah blah everything, right? So since it exists, I tried to get it out but it did not work, right? But anyways, the package is registered. Okay, so it just might look like an error but does not matter. Okay, so again after that let's just install. So the program that I want to install via command line is from the source chocolate is VLC. Okay, so name and then VLC, and our source is nothing else but chocolate. Alright, I sure want to install the software chocolate. Yes. Okay, so since it will extract that file and that's installed, yay. Right, so it's that simple. Okay, so next thing that you want to do is just verify whatever package you are installing. So get package and then just type in the name VLC. So you should be able to see VLC, it's installed, right? So that's it. So that's how you basically register a package source. So it's like registering from the source list in Linux. So it's similar to that, and then just register the source, so the repo kind of thing, and then after that it will just download the file from that particular repo. Okay, so that what this install package does, and then this get package is just to verify things. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Very simple, right? So but you have to remember the command. So you are very used to using it from the GUI, but it's good to learn from the CLI as well. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.